if you're experiencing login errors on Lyft, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Lyft app installed on your device. Go to your app store and check for any available updates. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you are using an Android device, go to your device settings, find the Lyft app, and clear the cache. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the app. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Lyft's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further or resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix login errors on Lyft. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.